Lately, we sold several replacement axles that were upgrades because customer could not get parts for his to replace it or repair it, whatever. So if you have a 6, 7, or 8,000 series Deere, and it's a double aught, a 10 series or 20 series, and even a lot of the 30 series now, you certainly can't get a complete axle. And a lot of times we're finding that you can't even get some of the individual parts. But what's important is, at least what's important in our opinion, is what's wrong with your axle. Quote, why do you need an axle? Because if you just need a planetary that you run out of oil, that's a operator error. Nope, not pointing any fingers, but that's operator error. And there's no reason to buy an axle or do an upgrade. But let's say that you religiously even actually grease your pins, but you keep just wearing them out because you're putting so much stress on your axle, or your axle design was like this, so there's not much meat there, so you can't machine it if it does get worn. That's when a complete axle replacement is warranted, or at least should be considered. So 6,000, 7,000, 8,000, double aught, 10, 20, 30 series, most of the time we would have some sort of an upgrade to M or R series. Why is that important? It's important when you can't get parts for your current tractor. If you think about that, a 100 series was made what, in the 90s for sure, late 90s, where the M's and R's are being, they're relatively 10 years old, 10 to 12 years old. So all I'm saying is those parts are going to be around, whether they're new, used, whatever. So part availability is a huge deal in the used parts side, because it's not like we can call up and order a used part from the quote used part warehouse. It's the same reason you can't. So letting us know that information allows us to help you better, give you better choices. It's not about upselling you or charging you more for a piece. It's just trying to get the right fit for you.